Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if you have a Yukon or you've seen them driving around with one taillight or neither working, it's a very common problem and it's actually very easy to fix. And so I have a full install video I can show you in the video description, but basically on the back here, part of the board will break. As you can see, the little crack, and that's just from driving down the road. It's just a very weak spot in it. And so as you can see, as it touches, it works. And if it's not touching where the crack is, then it won't work. So that's why they'll kind of work on and off. So the taillight's not bad, just needs to be fixed. And GM does have a small extended warranty out there. I have a video for that in the description as well. You have to show them the recall or they usually don't honor it, and it depends on mileage in the year. But all you'll really need is a $20 soldering iron. And I'll put a link to this in the video description on my Amazon affiliates page if you want. And we're going to use this to open up the taillight and to fix it. So what we're going to do, of course, make sure that the soldering iron is cold, and we're going to switch the tip here to the flat looking one. And so we're going to use this basically as like a hot knife, and we're going to cut around the tail light on the back side. And again, I have a video showing how to remove the tail light and everything, and I'll put that in the video description. But basically we're just going to go around here, and there's going to be a small section, and I have it drawn out here coming down the back side of the tail light. And there's two places where these break. So there's one at the top and there's one at the bottom. So basically we're just going to cut into the back side of the taillight assembly here, and we're using the soldering iron. We're just kind of melting away a nice little square, and then when you lift it away, it does seem to get kind of stuck. It's a little nerve-wracking, but you will be able to just pull that piece off, and here's what it looks like. So you'll see right here, if you look, there's a small crack right there. So that'll make the taillights, flicker or work on and off. And you'll be in the garage and they'll work, and then you'll drive out to the store and they won't work. And on the bottom it has basically the same thing, so little cracks kind of develop there. So all we're going to do is come in here with some solder with our soldering iron, and we're just going to make this connection whole again. So basically where the crack is, we're just adding some more solder and reinforcing it. Basically you're just adding the solder there, and make sure you get a nice good solid amount of it on there, and just follow that line where the crack was. So that's what it looks like. That's how easy this is to fix. Getting the taillight out is very simple. It's just a T15 Torx, and you'll see that in the other video, but this repair worked perfectly fine for mine, and now my taillights work, and it saved you $800 per side. So anyway, please check the video description, and I'll put links to the full videos of how to remove the taillight and fix it. But that's why they break, and this is how you can save some money. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks, guys.